Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're in the Shave Den, and if you're seeing this video, it must be 7/19/24, July 19th, 24, or after. I'm shooting this video a little bit in advance, but I will be releasing it on 7/19 because that's when Hendrix Classics and Company releases their latest product, Azure Dragon. It's actually I'm going to butcher the pronunciation, Qinglong, which translates to Azure Dragon. Hc&c has had a lot of success with the Dragon line, the Year of the Dragon line, and Azure, blue. This is the Blue Dragon. And I really like this because this is an homage to Creed Green Irish Tweed. And it's pretty spot on. In fact, it already has wife approval, I let her check this out before I try it. She goes, oh, that's good. So we're going to be using the new soap and aftershave from Hendrix Classics today. I'm going to be using an Omega Boar brush. Man, I've had this one for a while. It's well used. I'm going to put that into the crystal skull and let it soak. And I'm going to be using the Merkur 34G. I have the C and the G, but man, the G is pretty cool. And I haven't used them in a little while. I'm going to be using MyBlades. And this is going to be the silver version. They have silver, they have platinum. I really like the silver. I like the platinum too. They're blades you can't really go wrong with. So let us see. You've seen this razor before. It's a two-piece. It's one of my favorites. Had it for years and it's kept its luster. Still got the color. There we are. Silver one blade. Let's put that on there. Oh, and I'm wearing retro. I missed the game, England versus Spain on the weekend. I was doing cowboy action shooting. I heard it was a good game. I've got a tape. I'm going to have to watch it. But I'm wearing my retro Newcastle United shirt. All right. So that blade is in there. And let's check out the soap here. Yeah. Almost spot on to Green Irish Tweed this, you're talking 300, 350, you're talking 22 bucks here, 20 bucks. So if you want the smell of Green Irish Tweed, this is pretty spot on, I've got to admit. Okay. I need a shave. Oh, and somebody said, hey, how come you're growing your goatee out? I haven't, what's the reason? It's not Movember yet. Well, I did use the supply trimmer. And when I got it to try it out, evaluate it, Sinatra Lennon and I both were looking at the supply trimmer. And a lot of people are saying, how does it compare to the Norelco MyBlade trimmer? And I haven't tried that one yet. So I'm purchasing it probably today. So it'll be coming from Amazon. It's Prime Day. And I'm going to do a little trimming with both of them and see how they hold up. Before, I didn't have the goatee, so all I had to do was trim my sideburns. So I'm growing it out because I want to try out these electric trimmers. If you don't have a beard, you probably don't groom your face except for shaving. So I want to give it a shot. All right. Well, let's get this shave started, shall we? And welcome. There we go. Got the Boar brush here. Oh. It's better for me to release this on the day or, early in the day. Oh man, there we go. A lot of times when the products are released, no matter what company it is, quite often by the time you see the video, it could be sold out. It doesn't mean they're not going to get it back in stock, but at least I'm going to release this as soon as I can on the 19th, is where you're watching it. So hopefully it's available if you're interested. And I tell you, the soap really smells good. The aftershave especially smells good. And I've got to remember that because a lot of people, they like Creed, but I'll be the first to say Creed's prices are pretty ridiculous, but it's popular. All right, here we go. Nice feedback. Oh, man. Very good. I haven't used the MyBlades in a while. They do not let you down. I've been binge watching the TV series Yellowstone. I'm in season 4 now. 2 seasons to go. Waiting for Alien Romulus. I think that's what it's called. The latest Alien movie to come out. That looks pretty good too. Man, I saw the original Alien. Oh, was it 79? At the big Newport Theater in Newport Beach, California. I saw at the time it was the biggest screen west of the Mississippi. Now, of course, we have IMAX everywhere. But that movie really scared the heck out of me. The suspense and the intensity. I really liked Aliens, the follow-up, because you got to see a lot of those aliens getting killed. And now, the saga continues. All right. Oh, man, very good. Again, I could quit. Then I wouldn't get to talk to you for the next few minutes. There we go. Now my shirt's going to smell like green Irish tweed. I'm going to be trying the Sensor Excel 3 sensitive and an upcoming shave too. So we'll see how that one works. All right. I've had my coffee. Got the caffeine shakes. I don't often eat breakfast, but I sure need a couple of cups of coffee. Oh, someone asked what number is on the back of my Newcastle shirt. It's 9. And I picked up this shirt in London in 1996. Last time I visited the UK, visiting my family, came down to London, and I walked in and I asked, you have the Newcastle United shirt? Oh, man, I almost got my ass kicked, pardon the French. Then they go, oh, he's American, he doesn't know. They take when you're buying a shirt, you better buy it in the area that team plays, or you could have some issues. I'm learning that a lot about sports teams. But in and around Newcastle, whew, no issue at all. All right, here we go. Smells really good. Ooh, a little bit of a burn, not too bad. Oh, but awesome scent. Yeah. Very, if not spot on, very, very close to Green Irish Tweed. Well, there you go. Well, thank you for tuning in. I do have the links to Hendrix and MyBlades and Merkur and Omega, everything in the description of this video if you want to click on it and try it out. This is a good one. Pete, you hit it out of the park with this one. Very good scent, and you know, it's nice to wear. People recognize Creed scents a lot when I'm wearing it, so at least you could be recognized, but not really have to pay more than 10 times, maybe 15 times the price of this. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and especially thank you for your subscriptions. If you haven't subscribed, I really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow, and I look forward to doing another video with you very, very soon. Bye for now.